I am a blogger. I started blogging like 9 years ago. And so I had been dabbling with this little blog. And I thought, I know people make money with this. I'm just going to do this. How hard could it be? And so I ended up spending 40 to 60 hours a week working on this blog. And I did get it up to making a lot of money. And it was awesome. My husband has never had to go back to work. I've gotten to stay home. Yeah. So that was 9 years ago. But for that 2 years, the first 2 years, it was like, why am I even doing this? I'm working way more than I was. So being a very analytical person, I dove into all the numbers and all the processes that everybody was telling me I needed to do. And I realized that 90% of my income was coming from 10% of my efforts. So I developed this system to really hone in on the things that work for bloggers. And I opened a beta group with 15 of my blogging friends. And I was like, hey, I want to see if this works for you. We did a 6-week mastermind. It was insane, the results. So I turned that into the system that I've been teaching for 7 years called Launch Your Blog and Beyond. And I've been able to help thousands of bloggers actually get the benefits of blogging, which is time freedom and higher incomes. So it's been really amazing. And so I was like, okay, I can figure this out. I can figure out how to automate sales for Launch Your Blog. And so I sat down and I was going to reinvent the wheel. And thankfully, Facebook knows me better than I know myself. And it showed me an ad for CSS. And I watched the training video and I signed up. I was like, absolutely. I'm a big believer in letting somebody else show me a proven system. That's what Launch Your Blog is. Yes, you could figure out how to be a successful blogger on your own without Launch Your Blog, but it's going to take you years and thousands of hours. And I knew that that's what I was setting myself up for: trial and error, figuring out what worked, all that stuff. The systems for using CSS would have taken me a long time to figure it out, you know? And so I was just so thrilled to be able to have that solution in the 1 month or in the 1 month after launching. I had made what I would have made in an entire year with all of my products on just Launch Your Blog. And so now, the next month was like a whole nother year and I made like a whole nother year of salary. And actually, I made another 25% in my second month, above and beyond the first month. So, and I have barely turned on ads. I mean, I have ads running so low. I'm converting with like 12% of the course price for a conversion.